This is a story about Saint Sava, our prince
and establisher of education and school system in Serbia.
Saint Sava is the patron of Serbian schools and school children. Saint Sava is famous for his wisdom, literacy, and education. We celebrate the 27th of January as Saint Sava and school holiday.
Saint Sava was a Serbian prince.
He lived in the Middle Ages.
He was the youngest of 3 brothers.
He also had one sister called Euphemia.
He gave up being a prince to live in the monastery.
He lived in the monastery with his father, the king.
He helped his brothers, 2 princes, in their fight. Both brothers wanted to be kings and started fighting each other.
He made peace between 2 of them and saved Serbia.
He wrote important books.
He considered education of Serbian people very important.
While he was educating church staff and priests, he set the foundation for the school system in Serbia.
Many schools in Serbia are named after Saint Sava.
The temple of Saint Sava is in Belgrade.
We celebrate the 27th of January as a Saint Sava and school holiday.
School children prepare songs, poems, and acting parts for parents and teachers.
Saint Sava is famous for his wisdom, literacy, and education. Saint Sava is the patron of Serbian schools and school children.
We are proud of Saint Sava and Serbian heritage.